It's a bird.
That's what you do with an open crumb. You add butter and garlic. Yum.
Let's go.
Tasty. Better than Whataburger.